Quality assurance, often referred to as QA, is a fundamental part of pharmaceutical manufacturing. It acts as the backbone that ensures every medicine produced is safe, effective, and meets strict regulatory standards. In this video, we'll explore how QA shapes the entire drug production process, from raw materials to the final packaged product. Understanding QA's role is essential for anyone interested in how medicines are made and why we can trust them. Let's begin by looking at what quality assurance really means in the context of pharmaceuticals and why it's so crucial for public health. Quality assurance in pharmaceuticals is more than just checking products at the end of the line. It's a comprehensive system of planned and systematic activities implemented throughout the manufacturing process. QA ensures that every step, from sourcing raw materials to packaging, follows established procedures and meets regulatory requirements. This approach helps prevent errors, reduces risks, and guarantees that the final product is consistently high in quality. By embedding QA into every stage, pharmaceutical companies can confidently deliver safe and effective medicines to patients worldwide. One of the primary responsibilities of quality assurance is ensuring compliance with national and international regulations. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is governed by strict guidelines, such as Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). QA teams interpret these regulations and integrate them into daily operations. This not only protects patients but also shields companies from legal and financial risks. By maintaining compliance, QA helps build trust with regulatory agencies and the public, ensuring that medicines are both safe and effective. Quality assurance starts even before manufacturing begins, with the careful selection and testing of raw materials. Every ingredient used in pharmaceutical production must meet strict quality standards. QA teams work closely with suppliers, conduct audits, and perform laboratory tests to verify the identity, purity, and potency of raw materials. This proactive approach helps prevent contamination and ensures that only high-quality ingredients enter the manufacturing process, laying a solid foundation for safe and effective medicines. Process validation is a critical QA activity that ensures manufacturing processes consistently produce products that meet predetermined quality criteria. This involves rigorous testing and documentation at every stage of production. QA teams develop validation protocols, monitor equipment performance, and analyze data to confirm that processes are reliable and repeatable. By validating processes, pharmaceutical companies can minimize variability, reduce errors, and maintain high product quality batch after batch. During manufacturing, quality assurance teams implement and process controls to monitor critical parameters in real time. These controls include checking temperature, humidity, mixing times, and other factors that could affect product quality. By continuously monitoring these variables, QA can quickly detect deviations and take corrective actions before problems escalate. In-process controls are essential for maintaining consistent quality and preventing defective products from reaching the next stage of production. Accurate documentation is a cornerstone of quality assurance in pharmaceuticals. Every step of the manufacturing process must be recorded in detail, from raw material receipt to final product release. These records provide traceability, support investigations, and demonstrate compliance during audits. QA teams ensure that documentation is complete, accurate, and readily accessible. Good record keeping not only supports quality but also helps companies respond quickly to any issues that may arise. Quality assurance is only as strong as the people behind it. QA teams are responsible for ensuring that all personnel involved in manufacturing are properly trained and competent in their roles. This includes regular training sessions, assessments, and updates on new procedures or regulations. By investing in staff development, QA helps maintain a culture of quality and ensures that everyone understands their responsibilities in producing safe medicine. Despite best efforts, deviations from standard procedures can occur in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Quality assurance teams play a key role in identifying, documenting, and investigating these deviations. They analyze root causes, implement corrective actions, and monitor outcomes to prevent recurrence. Effective deviation management not only resolves immediate issues but also strengthens the overall quality system, reducing the risk of future problems. Change is inevitable in pharmaceutical manufacturing, whether it's updating equipment, modifying processes, or introducing new materials. Quality assurance manages change control systems to ensure that any changes are evaluated, documented, and approved before implementation. This careful oversight prevents unintended consequences and maintains product quality. By controlling change, QA helps companies adapt to innovation while safeguarding patient safety. Risk management is a proactive aspect of quality assurance. QA teams identify potential risks throughout the manufacturing process and develop strategies to mitigate them. This includes assessing the likelihood and impact of hazards, implementing preventive measures, and monitoring effectiveness. By managing risks, QA ensures that products remain safe and reliable, even in the face of unexpected challenges. Pharmaceutical companies often rely on external suppliers for raw materials and components. QA teams are responsible for evaluating and monitoring supplier performance to ensure consistent quality. This involves conducting audits, reviewing certifications, and setting clear quality expectations. By managing supplier relationships, QA helps prevent supply chain disruptions and maintains the integrity of the final product. Manufacturing environment can significantly impact product quality. QA teams implement environmental monitoring programs to track factors like air quality, temperature, and humidity in production areas. Regular monitoring helps detect potential sources of contamination and ensures that the environment remains within acceptable limits. This vigilance is essential for producing sterile and high-quality medicine. Before any medicine reaches patients, it undergoes rigorous testing to confirm its quality, safety, and efficacy. QA teams oversee laboratory testing of finished products, including chemical, physical, and microbiological analyses. These tests verify that the product meets all specifications and regulatory requirements. Only products that pass all tests are released for distribution, ensuring that patients receive safe and effective medicine. Batch release is a formal QA process that authorizes the distribution of a manufactured batch of medicine. QA reviews all production and testing records to ensure compliance with specifications and regulations. Only after thorough review and approval is a batch released for sale. This final checkpoint is crucial for maintaining product integrity and protecting patient health. Even after products reach the market, quality assurance continues to play a vital role. QA teams handle customer complaints by investigating reported issues, analyzing root causes, and implementing corrective actions. This feedback loop helps companies improve their processes and prevent similar problems in the future. Effective complaint handling demonstrates a commitment to quality and patient safety. Quality assurance is not a one-time effort but an ongoing commitment to improvement. QA teams regularly review processes, analyze data, and seek opportunities to enhance quality. This culture of continuous improvement helps companies adapt to new challenges, adopt best practices, and maintain high standards in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Internal audits are a key QA activity that helps identify gaps and areas for improvement within the quality system. QA teams plan and conduct audits of manufacturing processes, documentation, and compliance with regulations. Findings from audits are used to implement corrective actions and strengthen the overall quality system, ensuring ongoing compliance and product safety. Pharmaceutical manufacturers are subject to inspections by regulatory authorities. QA teams prepare for these inspections by ensuring that all processes, records, and facilities meet regulatory standards. During inspections, QA provides documentation and answers questions from inspectors. Successful inspections demonstrate compliance and build trust with regulators and the public. Strong quality culture is essential for effective QA. This means that everyone in the organization, from top management to production staff, is committed to quality. QA teams promote this culture by setting clear expectations, recognizing achievements, and encouraging open communication. A quality-focused culture helps prevent errors, fosters teamwork, and ensures that quality is a shared responsibility. QA teams use quality metrics to measure and monitor performance. These metrics include defect rates, deviation trends, and audit findings. By analyzing this data, QA can identify patterns, set improvement goals, and track progress over time. Quality metrics provide valuable insights that drive decision-making and support continuous improvement. In rare cases, a product may need to be recalled from the market due to safety or quality concerns. QA teams manage the recall process by coordinating with regulatory authorities, notifying customers, and investigating the root cause. Effective recall management minimizes risks to patients and helps restore public trust in the company's products. Analytical methods used to test pharmaceutical products must be validated to ensure accuracy and reliability. QA teams oversee the validation process, which includes testing method precision, specificity, and robustness. Validated methods provide confidence in test results and support regulatory compliance, ensuring that only high-quality products reach patients. Equipment used in pharmaceutical manufacturing must be regularly calibrated and maintained to ensure accurate performance. QA teams establish schedules for calibration, perform routine checks, and document maintenance activities. Proper equipment management reduces the risk of errors and supports consistent product quality. Accurate labeling and packaging are vital for patient safety. QA teams verify that labels contain correct information and that packaging protects the product from damage or contamination. This includes checking batch numbers, expiration dates, and storage instructions. By controlling labeling and packaging, QA helps prevent medication errors and ensures regulatory compliance. Stability studies are conducted to determine how long a pharmaceutical product maintains its quality under various conditions. QA teams design and monitor these studies, analyzing samples over time to assess potency, purity, and safety. The results help establish expiration dates and storage requirements, ensuring that medicines remain effective throughout their shelf life. Data integrity is essential for trustworthy quality assurance. QA teams ensure that all data generated during manufacturing and testing is complete, accurate, and protected from unauthorized changes. This includes implementing secure systems, regular audits, and staff training. Maintaining data integrity supports regulatory compliance and builds confidence in product quality. When pharmaceutical companies work with external partners, quality agreements define each party's responsibilities for maintaining product quality. QA teams draft, review, and manage these agreements to ensure clear expectations and accountability. Well-structured quality agreements help prevent misunderstandings and support consistent quality across the supply chain. Pharmacovigilance is the ongoing monitoring of medicines after they reach the market. QA teams collaborate with pharmacovigilance departments to track adverse events, analyze trends, and implement safety measures. This post-market surveillance helps identify potential risks and ensures that medicines remain safe for patients throughout their lifecycle. Quality assurance is the foundation of pharmaceutical manufacturing, ensuring that every medicine is safe, effective, and reliable. From raw material control to post-market surveillance, QA touches every aspect of the production process. Its proactive and systematic approach protects patients, supports regulatory compliance, and builds public trust in medicines. As science and technology evolve, the role of QA will only become more important in delivering high-quality healthcare to people around the world.